Hi and welcome to Wiki Procedure video channel. Kindly subscribe our channel for more informative video. In this video, we are going to see about request to replace or new electricity meter in Andhra Pradesh. The link I am highlighting right now is provided below the description of the video. Moving on to the procedure, let's see how to apply online. If you are applying through online, please click on this link. It will direct to service complaint form page. Please select the service type, enter the service number. Please select the category type, scheme type and click on get details. Once you click on get detail, in the next page, please select the service request and enter all the details in the application form and upload the necessary documents. We have provided document details in required document section. Kindly check it out. Pay the applicable fee in online mode and finally click on the submit button. The application will be processed further. Once the concerned authority will receive the application, the authority will register the request and contact you regarding the request. And the request is processed within a week. Also, you can apply through Misa Seva Center, but you need to visit the Misa Seva Center for the application process. We have provided the link here. Kindly check it out. If you have any queries or need to apply in person, you can check our office location and contact section for the address detail. Also, you can check more detail related to this procedure in below each section, which is more informative and user friendly. If you have any queries about our video, comment us. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video.